Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial on AI Code tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through the process of using Canva's AI-powered tool coding features. Canva AI Code allows you to generate the custom designs based on the text prompt that you are going to provide to your Canva. So let's just get started. Before starting into the tutorial, let me just tell you guys that what you need to do is go to your canva.com, because first thing first, go to your canva.com, log in or sign up using a suitable password, and it is going to direct you to your dashboard this way. Now you will be able to use Canva AI Code feature. Let me just tell you simple benefits of using Canva AI Code. It can be used to streamline your design process, you can increase your productivity, you can improve the design consistency, or you can also enhance your creativity because it can actually suggest you some new ideas and design concepts. You see, hundreds and thousands of the benefits of using this Canva AI Code. It was not available before, but now Canva has made it easy for its users to create new designs, and this is how it is going to advantage its users by making it easy to use. It is easy, user-friendly, and I would say accessible. It is time-saving. It actually helps in helping the users to customize AI-generated designs to fit their need. They can tune in until it fits according to what they're looking for. So let's just get started on how we're going to create a new code for ourselves. So what you need to do is go to your Canva AI option. Here you see that Canva provides the Try Canva Pro for 30 days. It is actually the 30-day free trial for the users. For the Crown users, it is going to be unlimited trials, or if you are not even using the free trial, they are going to provide you 5 trials to freely download your code design. Here you see you can also click it over here and Canva AI feature. Now what I'm going to do is, you see there are so many options: design for me, create an image, draft a document, code for me, create a video clip. Let me just show you guys that it can actually help me promote my new bakery opening, code for an interactive pricing calculators, an image, writing, videos, right? Let me just show you that how it is going to help me provide my prompts for, you see, there are so many prompts available. I don't even have to think that what I want, or you can also get new different ideas about what you're looking for simply by clicking on this feature. So, interactive pricing calculator, interactive historical timeline, menu for the restaurant, flashcard game, simple countdown timer, a digital birthday card that explodes. It can actually provide an sorting activity for my class, vocab matching game, fun memory matching game, a color accessibility simulator in a 3D game exploring space. So these are the prompts given. You can make changes according to what you want. Let's just say I'm using this restaurant code. The prompt is create a modern build your own order interactive menu without images. Okay, so start with an image of Bella Cucina featuring appetizers and their rates, pastas, and desserts. Use clean typography and color coding instead of photos for a sophisticated look. Do not include place orders or some other non-functional buttons. Also, a follow-up asked me about my restaurant name concept, food categories, and customization options, base items and add-on prices and special options, price levels, and dietary preferences. So this is the prompt that has been suggested by Canva AI Code. So if you want to make any changes into this, let's just say build your own. I write here, I am hungry. This is my interactive menu. This is the create a modern I am interactive menu without images. Now start with the design of Bella Cucina featuring all these appetizers. I don't think I need any more changes, but if you want any, you can simply go there. Now you see it is going to create a code for me. You see it is going to create the code as according to the prompt that you're providing. It might take about 3 to 4 minutes to create it. You need need to understand Canva AI code very much, because Canva AI code is based on the text prompt that allows you to generate the custom designs, and you can also input text prompts. You can create the Canva AI algorithm, which will help you generate the designs based on your input. So this is how it's going to help you explore the effective prompts for AI Canva and help generate the code for you. You don't have to struggle so much. Now you see it has already created about 170 plus lines for me, and you know how much time it takes if you do it manually. So once you are generated a design, you can customize it using the Canva AI editing tools. It would be easy. You can simply use it into the design, or if you still don't like it, it is going to give you an option to reset it. You see, they're going to ask me anything, like if you need any change to your restaurant card, for instance, you're simply going to put it over here, and it is going to help you reset your design or the code that you're using. It has already created about 290 plus lines for me. So this is how you're going to explore some advanced techniques using Canva AI code. You can also combine AI generated design with your custom elements. We can say you can add images, you can add shapes. You can also use Canva AI to generate designs based on your specific themes or your specific styles. So some advanced techniques could be yours together. You know, the AI feature have solved so many problems of the members of Canva. Canva did not provide these features before, but according to the increased demands of the users and to increase the facility for the users, it has provided, you know, this AI feature. So you don't have to worry about anything. You see, it has created a code for me. This is a lengthy code. It could take about a day to create this code if you're not a professional. You know, you don't know how to create the code for yourself. Here, you see it has created it. Now it is asking me, would you like to customize about this menu? I can help with that. Your restaurant name and concept, food categories and customization options, base items and add-on with prices, special options like spice levels or dietary preference. So this is how it has created the design for me. You see the appetizers, pastas and desserts. You see, you click on the appetizers, it is going to show you the appetizers. They're going to show you the pastas. They're also going to show you the desserts. Also, you see there are all the options that are given. If you want to reset it, you can simply go click on reset. But if you think that this version 1 is completely fine for you, you are going to use it into your design. You can go click on use in design. Now you can open it into the whiteboard, into the document, presentation, or website. Let's just say I don't have a website, so I'm going to open it into the whiteboard. I'm going to click on this, and if you need to make any necessary changes into your design, you can do that. You can also change the title of your design that you have made, and after previewing it and adding the designs, elements, text, brands, you see uploads, tools, project, you can use any of these features. You can change the position. After previewing it, you are going to click on share. Here you are going to click on downloads. You're simply going to download it. You see, sometimes you may also encounter some issues when using Canva AI code. You can see that there will be the troubleshooting some common issues. Let's just say you are using Canva and you see design inconsistencies or AI generated designs that don't meet your expectations. So you can also optimize your AI generated designs by using it again and again. So you will get an idea about how to use it. You're simply going to limit the size, compress the file, transport the transparent background. All of these features are crown features, and after that you can click and download, and it is going to download it. And yeah, this is how you're going to create your Canva AI generator feature. That's it. I hope you have learned how to use Canva AI powered coding feature to generate custom designs. You need to remember to experiment with different prompts and techniques to get the most out of Canva AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.